Well, we've had our time at Kennockstone campsite, and to be honest, both of us were so tired we didn't really do much. So it was just literally, we got here sort of late afternoon on a Monday night, and it's now Wednesday morning, so we stayed 2 nights and recharged the batteries a bit, but we both got a bit suntanned, didn't we, Liz? We're both a bit suntanned, so both burnt. Yeah, we went to bed last night really, you know, a bit worse for the sun.
My arm's swollen, I can't even get it on.
Lizzie's arm's swollen a bit, yeah, my legs and my head, oh God, I'm burning. Anyway, we've got to get off now. It's 10:53 and we've no idea where we're going or what we're doing yet, so we're going to go and get some water, empty out some of our waste and travel around Wales. Let's go. Look, I mean, this is just incredible. Lizzie's very sunburnt at the moment. She's not feeling very well at all because yesterday we stupidly got burnt in the sun.
Left the big city for the simple country life.
Just on a little peninsula bit, on the side. Let's see what's here.
Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground, coming sun up to sundown. Hey, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kind of leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my...
We've got a kayak, you know, now. We bought a cheap one out of Lidl. We bought 2 actually, just to give it a go. But I don't know when we'll get a chance to use it. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of drone footage, because just after I literally brought the drone down, a lady came over and said, "You're not allowed to do that." It's literally wide open countryside. Move! Move, you bastards! Move!
About tomorrow, and it's okay, baby. Don't you know that it's over? You know we're gonna make it out alive.
So what about just there or there, straight on that corner?
For no electric, yeah.
Yeah, we don't need electric. Yeah, and then we can just put it up.
Baby, don't you know that it's over? Oh, baby,
Hey?
watching the sun go down.
Yeah. Yeah, we can go over there.
Baby,
It's all been nicely mowed.
baby.
We've moved from down that area over there where we was. So we was right over there because there was too many flies there. There were loads of flies. So we moved up the other end of the campsite with a shorter grass, and sun's just gone behind a cloud at the moment because it's been absolutely roasting. So oh, he's going to hit his side. Oh. He smashed the bottom of it. The guy with the caravan now just smashed the bottom of his caravan. Yeah, so we're just having one of these Red Hog Zeros. That is the beverage of the afternoon. Beautiful. It's a zero alcohol dry cider.
I'm not hiding anything. I think you know me too well. I'm always coming up short on words.
Now you probably don't know, but Lizzie absolutely loves sunflowers, and these Lego ones were a thoughtful gift given from one of the children. As I build them, I'm taken way back to my younger days when I used to spend hours making airfix models, you know, planes, ships, tanks, soldiers. Now this was a time long before computers and phones just ruled our lives, when patience, perseverance and creativity were truly king. Back then we would lose ourselves in a project for hours on end, and now it just seems that so many of us switch off if they're not, or we're not entertained within a few seconds.
If you still can't decide, if you still think I'm lying, I will let you walk away. If my eyes can't convince you that I'm still in love since you first took my hand on that sweet summer night, and if your heart cannot trust me, then I say this must be the start of wandering away. If you made up your mind to leave this behind.
Hi. There's a baby one
It's been around.
and a daddy one. Ha! Leo and Danny.
You like them? Well, we've decided this morning that we're going to move on to the next campsite. Tell you why later. But yeah, we had a nice night here, good sleep. But we're going to move on. So
Road again.
on the road again. There's the van. Lizzie, you got, come here, come, just back up to me. Oh, what these are, you've got fluff right on your bum there. And, oh, I stuck it back on. Yeah, there you go. That's better. It is a blistering hot day in Wales today. Yeah. What? Right, on a really warm day, we're out of here and we're heading over towards Tenby. I want to try and park up there and have a look at Tenby Castle and then go on to somewhere else to park up a campsite. So let's go see what we can find, shall we, Liz?
Oh, he's coming.
Oh.
Would you be very kind if I gave you this to read on your travels?
Oh, knowing God personally.
Yeah.
Are you a God person then?
I am a good person.
I would so rather be riding my bike on these roads. What about you?
100%, yeah, definitely.
We are going so slow, but everybody else probably isn't. But, woo, still fun. Wow, this is a big old campsite, isn't it? Oh look, they've got an honesty box, honesty shop there. Yeah. This is absolutely a huge campsite here. Massive old campsite. Everybody's already waving at us as soon as they see the camera. Oh, I went right up there, didn't you?
There's a line there. You can't go through past it.
No, I know, but I'm saying
Where?
right where that black box.
Or do you want to go up by that tent up there?
No, I think straight in the middle there. Yeah. Wouldn't you?
Up to you, mate.
And which way are you facing?
I'm going to turn around and
Oh, yeah.
reverse in. You want me to reverse now?
No, yeah, because then we can have the doors open.
Exactly. What do you reckon? Alright.
Yep. Wow. Hello.
Alright.
This is big, isn't it?
It is very big. I think we're sort of sloping down a bit, do you?
Just think so a little bit.
Yeah. I think leave it like this way, didn't you? You don't want to get in and out and see everything.
I never know why he asks me what I want. I tell him, and then he goes, nah.
So today we're at a little campsite in a place called Buckspool, in the west of Wales, and it's a pretty cool campsite as it goes, because all you do is you don't book, you just drive in, park up, and they come around later and you pay them. And they've got loads and loads of fields, so if they start getting a little bit full up, they open it up further. So here's the van. Lizzie's in there cooking some dinner for us. It's about 7 o'clock at night, Liz, isn't it? About 7 p.m.
I have no idea what the time is.
She's no idea. Hold on, I'll tell you what the time is.
Absolutely no idea.
It's actually 20 past 7, so...
Is it really?
Yep, 20 past 7. And if you look, there's people parked all the way around the edges here. All the way around. No one really parks in the middle. I think now people are settling down to have something to eat. There's only some cold showers here, and there's only a couple of portaloos. If you need to use the toilet, that's what you got to use. So it is a bit rough and ready, as they say. You're not going to get all the amenities here, but I think the cost is like, I think it's £10 each or less. I haven't seen the actual charge. No one's been up here and no one's told us yet, but I think last year it was about £6 a person. So it's pretty cheap, put it that way.
Opening my schnob feed.
Here we go. Liz has knocked us up a nice little meal for this evening, Liz, haven't you, darling?
Mm-hmm.
How you feeling? Still hot?
Red. Burning.
Nice fields behind us though. Right. Shall we have our food?
Hope we don't fail to see the beauty of being free. Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close, so we have to give it one more try before the idiots are taking us.